Welcome to this course on network analysis in R. My name is Massimo Franceschet and I teach data and network science. This course will teach you how to analyze and visualize network data in the R environment using the Tidy approach. Social networks such as Facebook and Twitter are popular examples of networks. Other examples include the Internet, the web, academic citation networks like Google Scholar, and even the neural network in your brain. A network or graph is made of a set of nodes or vertices and a set of ties, also called edges, that connect pairs of nodes. In the figure, you see a network representing a website. The circles are the nodes, the web pages in this case, and the lines connecting the circles are the ties, the links between web pages. Here you see a directed network with 6 nodes and 8 directed ties. In a directed network, ties have a direction, that is, there is a source and a target node. An example is Twitter, where there are followers and followees. Here, Bob follows Emily, but Emily does not follow him. David and Emily follow each other. This is an undirected network with 6 nodes and 7 undirected ties. In an undirected network, ties don't have a particular direction. Facebook networks are undirected, since friendship is a mutual relationship. Here, Emily and Alice are friends, but also Alice and Bob are friends, but Emily and Bob are not friends. Networks can also be weighted. In this case, the ties between nodes have weights assigned to them. On the Internet, tie weights might represent the connection bandwidth between routers. On Facebook, tie weights might correspond to the duration of a friendship. In the Facebook network here, Alice and Emily have been friends for 2 years, while Charles and David have been friends for 4 years. In this course, you will take on the role of an Interpol analyst to investigate the terrorist network behind the Madrid train bombing in 2004. This network was originally assembled by José Rodriguez from the University of Barcelona. The network nodes are terrorists involved in the attack. The ties are the connection between the terrorists. There are 4 types of ties: trust or friendship, links to Qaeda and Osama bin Laden, co-participation in training camps or wars, and co-participation in previous terrorist attacks. The network is undirected and weighted. In this course, we use a tidy approach to network science. We represent a network with 2 data frames, one for ties and one for nodes of the network. We will use the dplyr and ggplot2 packages to explore the properties of the network. Moreover, we will integrate these packages with igraph and ggraph packages, which we will use to analyze and visualize networks. For instance, the function graph from data frame builds a network from data frames. Moreover, the ggraph function visualizes the network by extending ggplot graphics using geometries for ties and nodes. The igraph package has functions which allow you to explore the network directly. The v function, which means vertices, prints the information about the network's nodes. vcount provides a count of the number of nodes. The functions e and ecount do the same for times. Here, e stands for edges. You can add attributes directly to the network by using the network name, here g, followed by the $sign and the attribute name. You can add node and tie attributes specifically by wrapping the network name in a function called to v and e for nodes and ties, respectively. Let's start